What's up, everybody? Prizm Retail, 4-box, pick your team 37. Thank you guys for the fill as always. Guys, we're going to reduce screens after this. We're going to focus on the hammer mixer next. We're going to focus on hoops. And we're going to focus on Prizm Hobby. That's the focus. We're going to squeeze them all out. We got to get that hammer mixer off today, guys. Yeah. Well, he is a dope player. Ohio State University's very own. The Buckeyes, Marvin Harrison Jr. Son to Colts legend Marvin Harrison. Yes, he is. And believe it or not, he's the only guy I probably haven't hit like a checkerboard of. Like, I've hit the neighbors a few times. I don't think I've ever hit Marvin Harrison. Color Blast is my favorite too, Chris. I know it's a little played out. I know some people love it. Some people hate them. I like the Color Blast look. I think it looks pretty cool. It looks fresh. Ziggy, that's fine. Can you remind me, Ziggy? You might have to remind me afterwards. We're trying hard to get it off. It's like 50-50. It can go. It's so close to go. Ziggy, did you get it full price or did you ask for a deal on that? Yeah, just about. Yeah. Or did you take it direct? Because if it's direct, I got to go hunt down the Blez Bucks payment. Okay, cool. Yeah, because if not, if you're not here, just DM me on Instagram, Ziggy, and I can do it when I'm home either way. I know, I wanted to get the Monopoly. Yeah, you got it, Ziggy, no problem. No problem. Might take me a few minutes because when I go home, I might be cooking and stuff, but I'll take care of it. It's not a problem at all, Ziggy. You know I got you. And you guys can always DM me. If you guys ever have questions, concerns, or you need something handled, majority of the time I'm available. If I'm not if I don't DM you back like within an hour, most times I'm probably sleeping. So just give it a couple hours in that case and I'll get back to you. You okay? Are you getting sick?
No, I'm on like the back end of it.
Yeah, I know. I heard you coughing a lot. I was like, oh shit.
It's just like there's like a tickle in my chest when I take it out.
I know, yeah, I heard you yesterday and I was like, you had like the, and I was like, oh. It's like, please don't get me sick.
I like finally feel better except for I just
Yeah, so yes. Yeah, the channel's just going to be off tomorrow and Sunday because I'm doing a double on Friday. I was going to work it, but we're getting bombed with snow. So I'll be dead honest. I'm going to take the day off. I'm not going to sit here and lie and give you a BS answer. I'll be in the mountains tomorrow. But Doug will be here Friday and Saturday, guys. So he'll take you through that, and then we'll be off Sunday, and then I'll be back on Monday for sure. Most likely tonight, Ziggy. Most likely he's going to be posted tonight. Normally he does it about 2 days before. If not, you can check with Jags too. Jags will probably have a better idea on it. But if Esplez normally swings by the office. If not, I'll ask him for sure. Of course, you're welcome. Normally about 2 days. That's normally when we post it. Wednesday release normally most times is Monday night. Friday release most times Wednesday night. Every blue moon we get it in 3-4 days in advance. Especially if it's like a big popular release. Or a big high-end release like that. Then sometimes we get it in a little bit earlier. But as your long pack specialist, I'm going to nickname myself that. I'm going to definitely nickname myself that, the long pack specialist. Look for a video tomorrow about your long pack specialist. I'm going to make a DM on it. And if Good luck, everybody. See something crazy right here. Good luck. Marshawn Lloyd, rookie for the Pack. I think that's Troy Dubs on our first checkerboard. We have another auto. And Krongos guaranteed would have guessed it. Never mind. I lied. It wasn't an auto. Just kidding. Just kidding. Juked me out too, guys. Xavier Worthy. Bucky Milano on the checkerboard. Parcells silver. Scary Terry McLaurin on the green ice. Nice, our first Caleb that we've seen in a while, first seller. Here's a little bit of a fingernail on that one, seller. Javon Bullard on the green ice, also for the Packers. Those are hard hits. Byron Murphy, the green ice is what you're looking for in this. Nice JJ on the base. Trey Benson on the green ice for the Cardinals. Chris TW. D. Montgomery on the silver for the Lions. Odunze. Oh, come on. Ivan Pace Jr. Nice. There's a Daniels for Garvey on the green ice fireworks. Oh, Garvey. That's box one. I hope so. This is a fresh, I'm calling it a fresh palette. It's weird because we have giant boxes and they're like, it's like 100 boxes of like Prizm retail and it's just stacked up. So it's kind of weird. I've never seen distributors ship it like that to us before. I don't know why. But it's like literally like, it's like roll forward. It's like stacked up high. So I'm calling it a fresh palette. I can't say fresh case. Box two. Nice. Emerging green ice of Penix. Nice it. There's a McMillan for you, Chris W. TW. Ah. Eckler on the green ice. Not bad for the Commanders. I would have taken a nice Jaden Daniels early and often. Jonathan Taylor. You hit a green ice or a checkerboard of the right guy. There's your Laube on the checkerboard color match. Joe Alt, DJ Moore. Come on! Kaboom with the TJ Hawkinson on the checkerboard. I'm trying for you, Kaboom. I'm trying. Something got to be lurking here. Nealon on the silver. There's a Drake May for you, Kaboom, on the fireworks. Come on, let's not do the inserts. Nico Collins. He's a stud. Stud receiver for the Texans. And Jalen Hyatt, second year. Defensive back for the Giants. All right, we're overdue here, guys. So I don't know the exact cost, Duncan, but I'll tell you what I last knew. Our basic PSA service is as little as $20. Now, the pro to you is we do the paperwork. We take care of the shipping to PSA and back, like that. So there's a lot of benefits for you. You only pay the cost of the grade, which is like 20 bucks. 20, 25 bucks, whatever it is. Check with Mini on it, she'll have the up-to-date cost. We don't have any upcharge in what we charge. However, the one thing we do have to charge a charge, it's for our cheat code services. If you want to get your card looked at, which honestly, I recommend every card go through review. Like that. We don't do the card cleanings. We don't do the wax. We don't do any of that crap because we don't want to risk damaging your card, obviously. But our cheat code, he gets a centering tool on there. He'll inspect the surface. He'll give it a wipe down, obviously. Make sure it's clean of any fingerprints. He'll check the edges, any surface imperfections like that. And he'll give you a really good evaluation of what he thinks. And he's always pretty spot on. Lots of times he'll tell you a 9. We've gotten back 10s. Every blue moon we've said 9, and maybe we got back like an 8 for whatever reason. But he's spot on. He really is, Crosby. I've had nothing but great stories. I've not had one complaint about his evaluation, truthfully. Benson. Derek Carr. Checkerboard. Green Ice. There's your Marvin Harrison. There's number 1 for Chris. On the emergent insert, Green Ice. Marvin. Checkerboard, Bucks. Also for you, you get the receiver, Chris Braswell. University of Alabama. Because I forgot. Joe Milton. Come on, we got to heat up right here, guys, on this retail. It's a fresh palette. A fresh palette. Nice. Caleb, USC. Prismatrix. Prismatic, sorry. Another buck. The Beast, Vita Vea. On the green ice. Randy Moss on the Portals for the Vikings. And Jalen Waddle checkerboard for the Fish. The Dolphins. McMillan, Adonai Mitchell, University of Texas. That was another one I forgot about. Last box. Gotta heat up here, guys. We gotta. Oh my God, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my goodness. Oh, there you go. You got 5 free top loaders. Don't ask me what I was doing there. Oh my God. Top loaded the wrong stack. Out of monotony. Congratulations. Have a couple of extra top loaders. Oh my goodness. What an idiot. I can't believe I just did that on camera. That's a first. I share a lot of firsts with you guys. That's a first. That's a first. Oh my goodness. I was a little morning drunk on that, yes, Chris. Yes, I was. Like I told you, I don't look when I top load. A lot of times, like when I'm top loading cards, I don't look when I top load. I don't look when I top load. Like a lot of times I'm just like doing it. I'm looking at the chat. I'm talking to you guys. I don't usually look when I top load. You could probably blindfold me and I could top load just as quick just because I go by feel. Pearsall, Olave, Seahawks with the DK. Could be the last time we see him in Prizm in a Seahawks uniform. Shipley. Keenan Allen on the green ice. Jershon. Killian Robinson. Jaguars, Danny. It's not the one you... Oh, nice. I haven't seen a nice Bo Nix in a minute. Broncos, Seller. Brock Powers on the green ice. Prismatic. Nick Chubb. Neighbors base. Come on! Danny, I'm trying. Jimmy Smith on the checkerboard. I thought that was him, Danny. H.N. Brandon Aubrey on the checkerboard. We love kickers. And a silver of Scary Terry McLaurin is how we end it. That wasn't the best 4-boxer, guys. We've seen much better, truthfully. I've definitely seen much better, guys. Kaboom, I've had some great retail and I've had some tough retail. Trust me. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's a little tough. When we first started this on the football channel, I can honestly tell you, like, we had like every break we had a big QB, silver, checkerboard, whatever it was. Then like over the past week and a half, kind of cooled off a little bit. Oops. Penix, Daniels. And that was the break, guys. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. Kaboom.